how to fix WhatsApp two-step verification problem. So if you want to reset the two-step verification, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing you want to do is open the settings, go to apps like this. Now after go to the apps, you have to scroll until you find the WhatsApp and click on this force stop option, click on this storage, click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. After you click on clear data, all these apps data will be deleted, includes files, settings, accounts, databases, etc. After you clear the data, now you have to go into the permissions right here and enable all the permissions from the call logs into the storage. After that, you have to turn off your phone, turn it on again, and reopen WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end.